up, you guys? John here, back with another cooking video. Hey guys, I was at Target the other day. I came across, I used to see this product on the commercials, the TV. I don't know if you guys know this product. Every time I used to see this commercial, I see this, everything he makes, the chef makes, it looks so delicious.
Did with Italy 50 years ago. One person at a time.
Buon appetito!
That wasn't easy. So instead of bringing my Giovanni rana pasta to everyone in America, I'm inviting American pasta at my home in Verona, Italy. Enter for your chance today.
Buon appetito, America!
Giovanni rana pasta in the refrigerated section.
So basically, I wanted to try this product. I want to test this product to see how good it is. And I was actually in the mood for raviolis. So let's get cooking. You guys, these bad boys is looking like this. Looks so gorgeous. So we're gonna pop these bad boys all into the boiling water. The world already has olive oil with salt, so it won't stick. Let's mix these bad boys around. It's not gonna take that long. Let's wait till it boils. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come over here. We're gonna get these sausage cooked. Sausage cooked. This is a spicy sausage, so I'm gonna combine it with some spicy sausage and some Italian sauce, some regular Italian sweet sausage. So all you wanna do is cut these bad boys into bite size. Basically, guys, I'm making this my way. You know what I mean? So we're gonna put some olive oil in the pan. Let it get hot. Back you guys. All right guys, so the pasta's already done. Get some oven mitts. Pull it out. Why this bad boy doesn't want to leave. Let's check on the sausage. I have a separate pan. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Not too much. Let the olive oil get hot. Add some garlic. We're gonna add some heavy cream. Add some heavy cream. Let the milk get hot. add some Parmesan cheese. So basically we're making a nice Alfredo sauce. A little pinch of salt. The black pepper. Some more grated Parmesan cheese. A touch of oregano. Parmesan cheese got a little bit more. All right, guys. So right now we're gonna pour the mixture, the sauce. Gonna come. Oh my God, smelling good, guys. And inside these raviolis, it's mozzarella cheese. Add the sausage. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna plate this bad boy. We're gonna add a little bit of basil on top, a little crushed basil. Alright. There goes your meal, guys. There goes your meal, guys. There goes your meal, guys. Let's try this bad boy. All right. Guys, mind you, this is store pasta product, all right? Let's try it. Hold on, guys. I forgot something. You can't go wrong with some. Can't go wrong. Add a little bit of crushed red peppers on top. Give it a little heat. Look at that. Look how gorgeous. Taste the sausage. Taste it. What's up with this guy? Taste the sausage with the ravioli. Little of that basil. Guys, it's like heaven. You got the heat with the crushed red peppers. You got the nice soft raviolis with the sausage. Combined perfectly, guys. Speaking about the product, guys, this food came out so delicious, guys. Guys, I recommend to pick up Giovanni Rana. Italy's most loved. It's a family guy. This guy's based in Italy, you know what I mean? So this pasta, this guy made this raviolis with love. All right, guys. So guys, I recommend this. So delicious. I give this a 10. No lie. It's actually really good. All right, guys. So I hope you guys recreate this dish in your own household, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this dish. And yeah, like always, guys, see you guys in the next. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. All right. So like always, see you guys in the next video. Peace.